right, Wolfpack lizard scientists, we're going to germinate some lima beans. I went to Schnucks and I got large lima beans, generic, plenty of leftovers. I have basic Ziplocs, I have a little bucket of water, and I cut some paper towels so that I could use them more effectively. For this video, I'm only going to do 2 or 3 of them because you can figure that out yourselves. Once you've got one, you've got the whole routine. So let's take a look. We need a wet paper towel because our bean needs to experience dampness. So we're going to dunk it, squeeze it. Let's take a look. Nice and wet, but it's not making any nasty drips. Put a lima bean inside, fold it, open up the Ziploc, drop it inside. Doesn't matter if there's a little air in there. So that's what it looks like when it's ready to go. When you have about 5 of them, you can just put them inside of a dark bag. I was really looking for a cool shopping bag and I couldn't find one, and then I realized, oh, a trash bag will do. So I opened up my trash bag, put my 1 seed inside. I'm going to actually do 10, and then I'm going to close my trash bag up, put it in a corner for about 5 days, and when we get back, we will see a change in the seeds. Sometimes they mold, which is definitely a change, and it's kind of gross, but most of the time, what you'll see is that the seed will get puffy, it will expand, it'll look swollen, and then right out of this spot here, there will be a little green, tiny baby shoot that will grow into the plant. So one thing that we can do is, with some of our beans that germinate, we can pop them open and kind of study them and dissect them like a scientist would. But with the other ones, once we see that little plant, we can put it in a cup of soil and put it in a window and give it a little bit of water and lots of light, and it will actually grow a bean plant. And if you wait long enough, that bean plant will grow a bean, which is really cool. So this is our first step, germinating a seed. You're going to put your lima bean in a wet paper towel that's not going to drip all over the place at your house. Put it like a little baby blanket. The less you touch the bean, the better as far as mold goes, from my experience. I usually do twice as many beans as I have students to make sure everybody gets a viable bean plant germinated, and I usually get a third of them that get moldy. Okay, so I sealed it up just like that, and then it goes into my handy trash bag. Now, the whole point of science is to learn, but hopefully we won't learn with tons of mistakes, and our grown-ups will not have to clean them up. So when you're done, make sure that you help your grown-up clean up all of your science mess, and then label that bag, because right now it looks like trash in my house. Oh, one of my cats is playing with a bean. Do you see her? She's got a lima bean. She's going to knock it on the ground. Oh, Skippy. Oh, there she goes. Well, you got science and animal learning. Cats are curious. Please be curious, Wolfpackers. We'll come back in 5 days to see what our seeds have done. Bye-bye.